Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting frontiers of space exploration, the fascinating world of exoplanets. These aren't your ordinary planets, folks. We're talking about planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Planets with bizarre atmospheres, exotic compositions, and mind-boggling orbits. Get ready to explore some of the coolest exoplanets out there. Fasten your seatbelts because things are about to get cosmic. So what exactly are exoplanets, you ask? Simply put, they're planets that orbit stars beyond our own sun. Think of it this way. Our solar system is just one tiny neighborhood in a vast cosmic city. And just like any bustling city, our galaxy is teeming with countless other planetary systems, each with its own unique story to tell. Why should we care about planets so far away? It's about satisfying our innate human curiosity. We've always looked up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Exoplanets offer a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of other worlds like our own, perhaps even harboring life. But it goes beyond just the search for extraterrestrial life. Studying exoplanets helps us understand the formation and evolution of planetary systems, including our own. Each new exoplanet we discover is another clue, another piece of the puzzle that helps us unravel the mysteries of the universe. Since the first exoplanet was discovered in the early 1990s, astronomers have detected thousands of these alien worlds, and each one seems more incredible than the last. We've got hot Jupiters, gas giants that hug their stars so closely they sizzle at unimaginable temperatures. We've got super-Earths, rocky planets larger than our own, some of which might have the right conditions for life. So buckle up, space cadets, because we're about to embark on a journey to explore some of the most mind-blowing exoplanets ever discovered. Our first stop takes us to a star system about 500 light-years away, where we meet Kepler 186f, a planet that has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Why all the excitement? Kepler 186f is located in the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 186. The habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, is that sweet spot around a star where conditions are just right. Not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. So does this mean Kepler 186f is teeming with alien life? Well, hold your space horses for a moment. While being in the habitable zone is a good start, it's not a guarantee of habitability. We still need to learn a lot more about this intriguing exoplanet. For example, we don't know its atmosphere. Does it have a thick atmosphere that can trap heat and create a runaway greenhouse effect like Venus? Or does it have a thin atmosphere that allows most of the heat to escape into space, leaving it a frigid wasteland like Mars? Is it a rocky planet like Earth, or is it a gas giant like Jupiter? These are all crucial pieces of the puzzle that we need to solve to determine if Kepler 186f is truly Earth-like or just a cosmic tease. But even if Kepler 186f turns out to be uninhabitable, its discovery is still a major milestone in the search for life beyond Earth. It means that Earth-like planets might be more common than we once thought, and the chances of finding another planet that could support life just got a whole lot better. HD 189733b, where it rains molten glass. Sideways, hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to visit a planet that's truly out of this world. I'm talking about HD 189733b, a gas giant located about 63 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. This planet is known for its extreme weather, including supersonic winds and, get this, rain made of molten glass. You heard that right. Molten glass. Imagine trying to forecast that weather report. But before you pack your bags for a vacation to this exotic world, let me assure you, it's not exactly a hospitable place. HD 189733b is a hot Jupiter, meaning it orbits extremely close to its star, completing an orbit in just over 2 days. This proximity to its star means that HD 189733b is tidally locked, with one side always facing the star and the other perpetually shrouded in darkness. The surface temperature on the day side of this planet can reach a staggering 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But the extreme heat is just the tip of the iceberg. HD 189733b is also home to winds that can reach speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. These supersonic winds whip around the planet carrying silicate particles that condense in the cooler upper atmosphere. forming tiny shards of glass that rain down on the planet's surface. How do we even know what the weather is like on a planet that's 63 light-years away? That's where the power of spectroscopy comes in. By analyzing the light from HD 189733b as it passes through its atmosphere, astronomers can identify the chemical fingerprints of different molecules, revealing the composition and conditions of the planet's atmosphere. It's a stark reminder that the universe is full of strange and wonderful worlds, each with its own unique story to tell. Gliese 581g, a controversial world in the habitable zone. Our next destination takes us to the Gliese 581 system, a red dwarf star located about 20 light-years away in the constellation Libra. Here we encounter Gliese 581g, a planet that has sparked intense debate and controversy among astronomers. Gliese 581g is another planet that lies within the habitable zone of its star, making it a prime candidate for the search for extraterrestrial life. However, the existence of Gliese 581g itself is still a matter of debate. While some studies have claimed to detect its presence, others have failed to find any evidence for its existence. This uncertainty has led to a sort of cosmic tug-of-war, with astronomers on both sides of the debate presenting their evidence and arguing their case. But let's assume for a moment that Gliese 581g does exist. What do we know about this potentially habitable world? It's estimated to be about 3 to 4 times the mass of Earth, making it a super-Earth. It's also thought to be tidally locked to its star, just like HD 189733b. Red dwarfs are much cooler and fainter than our Sun, so their habitable zones are much closer in. This means that a planet in the habitable zone of a red dwarf would experience much stronger tidal forces from its star. These tidal forces could lead to a phenomenon known as tidal heating, where the planet's interior is constantly being stretched and squeezed, generating heat. Until we have more data, Gliese 581g will remain a tantalizing enigma, a world shrouded in both mystery and potential. TRAPPIST-1a, a 7-planet system teeming with possibilities. Get ready to be amazed, folks, because our final destination takes us to one of the most exciting planetary systems ever discovered, the TRAPPIST-1 system. Located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, TRAPPIST-1 is an ultra-cool dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun. But what makes this system so special is that it's home to not 1, not 2, but 7 Earth-sized planets, all of which orbit within the star's habitable zone. That's right. You heard me correctly. 7 potentially habitable planets, all huddled around their dim and distant star. It's like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's real, and it's right in our cosmic backyard. Now, of all the planets in the TRAPPIST-1 system, one stands out as particularly promising for life as we know it, TRAPPIST-1e. This planet is slightly larger than Earth and is thought to have a rocky composition, just like our home planet. It also receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, placing it squarely within the habitable zone. TRAPPIST-1e is also thought to have a temperate climate with surface temperatures that could allow for liquid water to exist. And as we've learned, where there's water, there's a good chance of finding life. Could TRAPPIST-1e really be a paradise planet, teeming with alien life? Well, as always, we need to be cautious. We still have a lot to learn about this intriguing world, including its atmosphere, its composition, and whether it has a magnetic field to protect it from harmful radiation from its star. But the possibilities are truly tantalizing. Imagine a world with 7 continents, each with its own unique ecosystems and life forms. Imagine vast oceans teeming with strange and wonderful creatures, and lush forests filled with bioluminescent plants. The possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. TRAPPIST-1e is a powerful reminder that we are not alone in the cosmos. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to the sheer diversity and wonder of the universe. And who knows, maybe one day we'll send a probe to this distant world and finally answer the age-old question, is there life beyond Earth? Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've journeyed far and wide, from scorching hot gas giants to potentially habitable worlds, and we've only just scratched the surface of what's out there. Who knows what other strange and wonderful worlds await our discovery? Please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel for more fascination videos like this. Until next time, keep looking up.